Vacation bliss is calling, so grab the keys and get ready, because this beauty's not even 29 feet long. You are looking at the brand new Jayco Redhawk 26M. Packed with features and creature comforts from home that you're not going to miss while on the road, this is the RV that if you've been thinking about dipping your toe into the camping waters, this is it. Let's check out the inside. This is a very open floor plan that, believe it or not, you can actually sleep up to 5 people in. But to me, 100% couples coach. But have no fear if you want to bring the family or if you know you're going to be expanding the family pretty soon. And that's what's really great about this floor plan, the flexibility and the functionality. Let's start right up front with the cab. Check out that dash. When you're cruising, you got to be tuning, and with that 9-inch Sony infotainment system, you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated side view cameras, not to mention backup. Surrounded by that molded dash where you got cup holders, extra storage spots, great places for your cell phones, or whatever you may need. And while you're cruising down the road, you're going to be doing it in style with those comfy leatherette captain's chairs and co-captain's chairs. But you also got the tilting, telescoping steering wheel there to make sure you do it comfortably. Large window for visibility, large remote side view mirrors for even more visibility. Plus you got cruise control, hill start assist, electronic stability control, and traction control. And it's all seated on that Ford E450 chassis with the 7.3-liter V8 325-horse engine with 450 pound-foot of torque and the 6-speed torque shift series transmission with overdrive. Raw, raw, raw. And yes, on E-rated tires. Come on. I know you're geeking out over it right now, but you can pop the hood later. But what if we want to take our car along with us on the Class C? You got a 7,500-pound hitch on the back with 750-pound tongue capacity and a 7-pin plug. Up above that awesome cab is going to be the bunk. Great for storage, but also great for the kids or if the adults want to sleep up there, because the bunk has 750-pound capacity and a safety net. Not to mention, you have an oversized TV up there, privacy curtain, and did you notice right there in the front cap? Yep, privacy window with shade. Another great feature is going to be your campsite kitchen. 50/50 stainless steel sink in solid surface countertop with LED underlighting, high-rise faucet, pop-up power station, decorative glazed cabinetry on both your drawers and on your cabinets, and I like the bevel that they have there, plus the matte black pulls. That light on dark decor kind of mixes really well with the backsplash you have around your 3-burner cooktop and 16-inch oven. Of course, you do have the oversized high-point microwave above that. To keep your camping goodies nice and chilly, you do have a 10.7 cubic foot fridge-freezer combo that is 12 volt, which means you can run it while going down the road. Don't have to worry about the propane swap over, which is very nice for safety. Now, here's another good example of where I think this space just really stands out as being versatile. Near the rear of the 26M is where you're going to find your entertainment/master bedroom. I like how we got the 40-inch fireplace down there. You got the component shelf, the extra large TV on a swivel, so you got one in the bunk over cab and one back here. So if you do bring the family, got the kids or whatever, they can watch TV up there. You can watch TV back here, vice versa. Plus, with that fireplace, you got about 5,000 BTUs of heat coming off of there. Add that to the fact that you have a high output furnace and high output AC on this unit, and the vacuum bonded construction, the laminated side walls, the aluminum frame superstructure. This is going to be a good, deep 3-season coach and keep you warm or cool, depending on what you want. Across from that entertainment center is a very unique feature. It's a Murphy bed system. So leave it as a couch when you're ready to just chill out, watch TV, hang out, or need more entertaining space. And when you're ready to go to bed, it's powered. Yeah, you flip the little switch, the bed powers down, boom, you got yourself a very nice sleeping space. And actually beside that is going to be your mirrored ward storage. You can use it for pantry space. And just for reclining and kicking back, right there in the slide, you do have leatherette recliners that have the cup holder tables as well and the 10-inch console. Great layout, versatile for space, entertaining, and sleeping. But the true calling card to the 26M is the awesome rear bath. Not only is the fit and finish beautiful on this one, it's also functional. With both storage space pretty much all the way around it, you got an oversized countertop and oversized shower, really giving you a separation of space as opposed to going through a bathroom in the middle of the coach. You got it in the rear. Very nice flow and even better setup. So before we head outside, let's talk about some of the things you won't see, but you'll definitely enjoy. For example, your tanks. You got a 43-gallon fresh tank, 40-gallon gray, and 31-gallon black tank on this beauty. To keep you going when you're off the grid, you do have a 4,000-watt generator on this one. Plus, to help trickle charge those batteries, how about a 200-watt solar panel on top with charge controller? Okay, outside, the first thing you're probably going to notice, that gorgeous, seamless fiberglass front cap. Not only does it look good set up at the campsite and going down the road, you don't really have to worry about a seam, aka water permeation, on those corners. The ride on your new 26M is going to be pretty slick too, thanks to Jayco's J-Ride. You got a computer-balanced drive shaft, standard front and rear stabilizer bars, Hellwig helper springs, rubber isolation body mounts, just all adding up to a super smooth and safe ride. And when you finally get to the campsite, you're going to be able to enjoy it under a beautiful 19-foot awning with LED light strip. Storage, don't have to worry about that as well. All the storage on your 26M is also rotocast, so it'll be easy to clean out if you do get the dirt, sand, or whatever in there. Not to mention on the rear, you got yourself an outside shower. So I know you want to keep the inside nice and clean. Here's the way to do it. Spray everybody off, get all that dirt and dust before you take it inside. Get them cleaned up with that outside shower. And speaking of outside, how about an outside kitchen with the griddle? And not just any griddle, it's the Capital Griddle with Radiant-style heat cooking, which really gives you good, even heat. Plus, you got those metal countertops, little storage drawer, and to help keep your drinks cold, how about a mini fridge? On the rear of your 26M, you got a ladder that's solid mounted, just in case you want to get up on the roof and check everything out. Backup camera plus 4x4 sewer hose storage. And right there is that 7,500-pound hitch. Gorgeous on the outside, just like it is on the inside. The all-new Jayco Redhawk 26M, 28 feet, 8 inches, just loaded down with features from gorgeous interior color schemes to quality craftsmanship to a pretty awesome layout that's extremely versatile. And if you've been thinking we want to get our first motorhome, but we don't want to break the bank, that is where the Redhawk comes into play. Tons of features. You're not going to lose anything. Quality of living from home, moving into this type of RV, and it's a motorhome, so you don't need a tow vehicle. The best part about the Jayco 26M, if you're saying, hey, I really like this one, how do I check this Redhawk out? You can come into your local Camping World and check it out, or always check it out online at campingworld.com. And do me a favor, leave me some comments down below and let me know, what did you like about the Redhawk 26M? What did you not like? Where would you see yourself taking it? And more importantly, can I come along? And please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. Thank you so much for joining us for the Jayco Redhawk 26M. We'll see you soon.